The Stehr company from Stehr north of Munich is an innovative company in road and paving construction. Equipped with a modern machine and vehicle fleet, special construction projects are carried out flexibly and precisely according to customer requirements. This also applies to the redesign of cemetery paths on the 8-hectare, over 500-year-old Park Cemetery in Munich unter Menzing. The Stehr minigrader SUG-20 with plate compactor was used here to push off and re-level the vegetation on the 2.2-meter wide gravel paths. First, the old material was torn open and mixed with the ripping teeth attached to the sign. This was followed by leveling to a roof profile with the Stehr buckling shield so that the water can also flow off to the side. Here in particular, the little one from Stehr showed its unbeatable advantages. All functions including driving are only electro-hydraulically controlled via an ergonomically mounted joystick. Finally, the plate compactor attached to the front were used. Gravestones directly adjacent to the path made compacting with conventional compacting equipment impossible, as there was a risk of the stones falling over. Once again, the innovative Stehr invention was able to provide proof that compaction without damaging vibrations in the environment is only possible with Stehr machines. With this combination of grader, plate compactor, barely noticeable vibrations are released into the environment during compaction. With the nevertheless enormous high compaction performance, the Stehr invention will be unbeatable on narrow, small inner-city construction sites. The water glass test, by the way also a Stehr invention and feared by the competition as holy water by the devil, proves this. The company boss who was present was so impressed with the machine that it immediately stayed on the construction site. Conclusion: Stehr machines don't wake the dead. You can find more innovative Stehr ideas at www.stehr.com and our construction machines live in action at www.stehr.tv.